Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this solar powered waterfall. This is for above ground pools, in-ground pools. This does come with a large solar panel, and it also has an anchor to keep it in place. Alright, so right here we have our pool fountain. I love the fact that it is summer now, so we get these new products that come out, being that I use my pool about every summer. So this, I decided to purchase a waterfall for my pool and a light show, so it does lights on the bottom. So first off, we do have these instructions manual. So basically it comes with the light, with the solar panel, it comes with the string, water fountain, it's solar charging, and it also has an anchor so it stays steady on your water and it doesn't move around. So the dimensions of this is 9.4 long by 8.9 wide by 3.5 inches high. So this is a really nice solar panel water fountain. It has the latest invention. It is a one-of-a-kind fountain feature which has a vivid hexagon light which shapes upward of the fountain, which just splashes down. And right here is the anchor. The anchor gets tied onto the string below the solar panel waterfall, so it holds it in place. If you're like me and you like waterfalls in pools, this one here is a really nice waterfall. It has a constant performance even after dark, so it still works. So the solar panel charges during the day, so it can be still used at nighttime. It has a large 9.4 inch by 8.9 inch solar panel. It supports the fountain during the working day. It stores the energy at nighttime, so it works at night. So here is your waterfall part, and on the bottom there is a little piece down here that sucks up the water and it spurts out of the top. It is a movement of water. It is a colorful light which illuminates your pool. You can see the little lights under here, but it's not lit up. We have to go ahead and do that at nighttime. We'll throw it into the pool and turn on the light so you can see that. It is very nice. It feels heavy and sturdy, so it's got really good material. The solar panel is super nice. I let it set out and it charged up. So what I'm going to do is let it finish charging up through the day, and then I'm going to come back and throw it in my pool so you can see how nice this looks. The waterfall is really nice. So if you take the waterfall out, it stops using the waterfall, but you can still turn on the light. So I'm going to come back as soon as I get this fully charged and we'll go ahead and put it in my pool. Alright, so this has been sitting out in the sun all day, and you can see the lights right here at the very bottom. They have a little switch, so there is the red light. Hit it again, it turns colors. There's your green, you got blue, you have green again, and red, which actually this is more like a party mode. So there's three different color lights. You got red, green, and blue. You also have the party mode. So what I'm going to do is put it in the pool. Once it's in the pool, it'll grab the water from the below and it'll start spraying the waterfall at the top. I forgot to push the button again. So what I'm going to do is, you can see that the anchor is here at the bottom. There's a string that goes. So I'm going to go back and grab this, and then I'm going to turn the power back on again, and then you can see that it works at nighttime. As long as the solar panels charge during the day, it will work. So now we have it on and running. There is the lights, and then you have the waterfall here at the top. You've got the lights at the bottom, and it's not too dark right now, so you can't really see the lights. But this is a really nice one. I like the fact that it gives you the waterfall, which kind of moves the water. So you can see that there's lights at the top and there's also lights at the bottom. If you're looking for a nice waterfall with lights for your swimming pool, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This is a very good quality. The solar panel does hold a charge. It took me all day to charge it, but this one is a really nice, and I highly recommend it.